Good day to our lecturer, Encik Mazlan. I'm Leon.
I'm John.
I am Ilya Amira Akila.
I'm Muhammad Nashufli.
Going to present for this lab 2 task 2, which is using to put the apple from the conveyor into the box at the box on the box conveyor.
Yes.
So we have designed a
Two.
system on the CX Designer, which
Yes.
consists of 2 stations. One is for main control and another one is for the stations. So
Yes.
at main control, there's a start button, stop button, and also a system run lamp, which indicate the system is running or stop. Okay, so for the stations, there are 2 input and 2 output, which is switch ones, S1 and S2 for the input, and also Apple conveyor and box conveyor for the output, by referring to the lab sheet. Okay, and also we have draw the ladder diagram on the CX programmer, and the the bit is set referring back to task 1, which start from 10 and also hundreds. Okay, so now let's start our.
For this, we start from CX Designer.
Yeah. So
We run the CX Designer.
We control through CX Designer to program.
okay, so now by referring back to this lab sheet, sorry. Okay, so when the press button is pressed, the box conveyor start operating. So when we press the start button, okay, so system is running and also the box conveyor is running. So upon detection of the presence of box S2, so S2 is detect. Okay, so this S2 will be alternate reset because this is detect. It's not a momentary because it's still detect. Keep on detect the box until the box is lift away from this S2.
Okay.
So therefore, this S2 will keep pressing, which means it's a high
Holding
high input. Okay, so now Apple conveyor is running. So okay, refer to this programmer. Okay, so when this press 1, you see we press 1 times. Okay, we reduce the counter. So let's say we press to 10. Okay, plus. Okay, so when it reached 10, which means that 10 apple is already fallen from this Apple conveyor into the box. So the Apple conveyor will no longer to be able to run, and also the box conveyor will be turned on, so that the box will leave these stations and then wait. Okay, so when the box leave this station, leave this station. So the box conveyor will still running until the second box reach. Okay. This is a continuous process till we stop the process. Okay. So everything will be stopped. Okay. So is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So there's a slightly difference that you can see that I set a differential up at this S2, that because I want to reset this counter. Okay.
Okay.
But so how the time that I want to reset this counter is when the box is reached at this station, which means S2 is that the new box is reached. Then only I reset, because when I reset the counter, the Apple conveyor will be automatic on. Okay, when these are reset, okay, the Apple conveyor will be turned on. So that's why I need to make sure that the box is reached at this location, then only the S2 will reset the counter. That's why I use DIFU. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So is it clear? Any place? Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes. Crystal
clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so
proceed to task 3.
Is it have task 3? There's no task 3, so there's only an appendix.
It's appendix. No
Yeah.
task 3.
Yeah, no task 3, only task 2. So task 1 yeah, we have proven also. Okay, so for this task 1, do we need to do task 1? Or I show you guys the task 1.
No need, because last time I already show.
Yeah, that one I just show the video to Encik Mazlan. So never mind, I try to run it. Okay. 3. And this one. Okay, stop it. And also I run my 6 program for lab 2. Task 1. Actually, after we done this task 1, okay, then we're able to. Actually, it's quite easy for task 2. After we done this task 1. Okay. Okay, so for this task 1, bring back to the PDF file. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So at this task 1, we are required to follow this. Where is the ladder diagram? Yeah, this is the ladder diagram, which called a self-holding system. So you might see that there's an addition of the timer on here because by referring to step number 9.
9.
Yeah. So
Edit.
Required to add a timer.
stop the motor operation after 5 seconds.
Yes.
Okay, so now test. Is it put?
So the 5 second extract 50 time 100 millisecond.
Yeah,
Then
because
get
we are using TIM. TIM, which means
TIM.
100 millisecond. If we refer to another is TIMH, that one is 10 millisecond, if I'm not mistaken. So we can try. Okay, so when we press start, okay, the timer will start countdown until 5 seconds. Okay, the automatic stop. Or before 5 seconds, we also can stop manually. So by
Yes.
pressing stop button. Okay, so is it clear
Yes.
Clear.
so far
Yes.
for this lab 2?
So far clear.
Yeah. Any question for this task 1 or task 2?
No. That's
So
all.
for the task 1, the
Yeah.
timer the contact timer
Yeah,
4000 tak boleh letak bawah.
T0001.
Dia tak boleh letak bawah untuk macam nak boleh close dia ni. Yang punya
How to
contact
say?
langsung.
Yang contact ni. Why is it used normally close?
Dia boleh tapi kalau letak dekat rang bawah, rang nombor 1 boleh.
Or which mean you want to yang ni naik atas, rang ni naik atas.
T00 just dia pun
Okay, T00 yang ni.
dia nak boleh close untuk T00 tu letak dekat rang 1.
Yang ni tak ya, because when motor turn on baru dia akan start countdown.
So dia nak turn off dia kena letak atas lah.
Yeah, turn off at here. So this one is called delay off lah, we can say.
Okay. Okay, understand.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's all for this lab 2.
Yes.
That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.